Hi guys. Okay, so today we're doing a Space War radio, which is this circuit right here. What we want to do is to transmit Space War sounds to the AM radio. So in this circuit we have a lot of parts. The first one right here is the resistor, and it has 5.1 kilo ohms. And right next to that we have the NPN, or the transistor, which allows current to flow in one direction. In this case, we have the arrow pointing this way, so the current is flowing this way. And then next to we have the Space War sound, which is the U3, which is what we want to transmit to the AM radio. And this is the diode, or as we call it, the LED, and it indicates that the circuit is on. And then here we have the variable capacitor, and it has movable plates, so when we move it, the capacitance can be adjusted between 0.00004 and 0.00022 microfarads. And in this case, we use the high frequency radio for tuning. And here we have the antenna, which transmits the signal to the AM radio. And the switch, as we all know, is basic and just indicates if the circuit is on or off. Okay, so what we want to do is we need to tune our radio so there are no stations heard. So we have a radio right here ready for us. It's the AM 1000 station, and when we place the antenna right here, right next to the circuit, we're gonna hear the sounds transmitted to the radio. So as you can see, the antenna sends a signal to the circuit, sends a signal to the antenna, which transmit into the radio. And when we move the movable plates, the capacitance can be adjusted so we can hear it clearer or not that clear. So as you see right there, we just adjusted it, and now we can hear it really clear. And you can do this circuit and make it your own by maybe you want to replace the U3 with a different one, such as the U2 alarm or the U1 music, to see which ones, just to vary the circuit and make it your own. And so what we just did is we performed this experiment that took Marconi, who invented the radio, a lifetime to invent. The technology of radio transmission has expanded to the point that we take it for granted. There was a time, however, when news was only spread by word of mouth, or by talking. So that's the experiment. And yeah, that is a circuit, so you can do it at home and make it different your own. But thanks for listening. See you next time.